Hello, my name is Wilfred Grajales. Activity comparing Halloween and Valentine's Days. In Colombia, Halloween, the special food for people is many sweets. Monster and superhero costumes are used. The most important tradition is to go out to hash for sweet in distinguished, and it is an activity carried out with my family and friends. In the winter, it is always rainy for him month of October. In my life, it has a lot of impact because it is family tradition to dress up and to go treat or training and outing out. Valentine's Day is certainly very different for Halloween because this celebration takes place in Colombia in September. Chocolates and given away, and the food is more elaborate. Places that enjoys of a living love are visited, unlike Halloween, which is more of the street and much more represent fear and courage. In my life, Valentine's Day is an important day because I show love to important people, but for me, Halloween it is most important celebration of the year. Thank you. Bye bye.